So are you moving to Perry, Georgia, and you're looking for luxury living in Perry? Well, we found it. This house is at 102 Seven Pines Court in Perry, Yorktown Subdivision. This house just came on the market with HRP Realty, and we're gonna go inside, we're gonna show you around, and you're gonna love this place. It's got more turns than a castle. So let's go in, take a look at it, and see if it's something that you wanna make an offer on. This beautiful home is listed at $420,000 with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,651 square feet of living space. This beautifully landscaped half-acre lot is one of the closer lots to 341, but it's also heavily wooded to drown out the traffic. The exterior is all brick and vinyl siding, and the driveway is big enough for RVs, trailers, or just about anything you could think of. Now, as you can tell, this house is actually in a cul-de-sac, so you don't have to worry about a whole lot of traffic coming in and out. So it's pretty safe for the kids. And for some added privacy, the entrance is not advertised, and if you don't pay attention, you'll go right by it, which most people do. And since this neighborhood is very small, makes it a little bit more intimate. So let's go inside and see if you love it. The first room to fall in love with would be the office. Across the engineered hardwood foyer is the dining room. The side hall behind the office features 2 of the guest rooms, bathroom, and some extra closet space. Then at the end of the foyer is the grand living room to entertain your guests. Right next to the breakfast nook and kitchen. And off the breakfast nook is the master suite. With separate his and hers closets. And the bathroom has everything: dual sinks, large counter space, angled mirrors, full shower, and a jetted tub. Now let's go outside to the 2-tiered patio and the large backyard. Hold on, don't leave yet. You haven't seen the upstairs. This bonus room does count as a bedroom, although you could convert it back to a game room or just another general purpose living space. And this Jack and Jill bathroom has 2 entrances to give privacy to both sides. And then back downstairs to the laundry room, which is conveniently next to the garage, so it doubles as a mudroom. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that tour of 102 Seven Pines Court in Perry. Now, this house is on the market, it's for sale, and it's ready to move right in. So if you want to make an offer on this house, make sure to reach out to me. My information is in the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.